Hey guys, My Life Unraveled back, or Smalls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell down there. But today we will be doing our first unboxing of the Fidget Cube. Now I have a problem with biting my fingers and stuff, and my nails. So these can help with stress or that, so let's start opening it. Oh yeah, and those are the colors, green and black. And then those are all the things that you can do with it. Work, class, home. So let's open it. Whoa. So it looks like that. If we take this. Oh, we got a foam block around it. Doo, 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 doo. This is the box. Yeah, nothing too exciting about that. But here's our Fidget Cube. We have like a little joystick kind of thing on an Xbox controller. We have a light switch. We have little rolly things like combinations. We have a rolly ball that you can press into. Then we have all these buttons. These three can click, and then these two are silent. And then there's this that spins. And that's it for the Fidget Cube, except for right here. It's where you put your finger and then you can hold it like this and just do like that kind of stuff. I know, guys, this is a short video, but yeah. And also how you would put it away is you would put it in here, then you put the foam block back on it, just like that, and then you're gonna come down on it. Boom, Fidget Cube. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.